In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise where the left hand has triads on the white keys, and they're broken. We're going to break the tones going up. We're going to move up one white key at a time, the hand positions, then the D position, the E position, the F position, G, A, B, C. Once we get to the octave above where we started, we're going to reverse the direction of the fingers. Notice these are all pinky, 3, and thumb, or 5-3-1, or 1-3-5. Okay, in the right hand, you're going to be using octaves, block octaves, moving up one white key at a time. So in this case, C's come together, and then 3, thumb. And then in the D position, all the D's together, and the E position, F, G, A, B, C. Now once you get here, remember you reverse the direction of this hand. So you're going to strike the G first, come down, then move one position down to the B position, down to the A position, and keep going. So here is the whole exercise. Reverse direction. Now if your keyboard allows, keep going. If you have even more, keep going. If your keyboard allows you to go higher than this, absolutely. Wherever it will take you, okay? It's a great exercise, especially for beginners. Have fun with that.